Nice.
That's a fatty, bro. That's got to be 5. I got my scale.
Oh yeah. The one I.
Did you have a favorite pie? Big smallmouth, probably 21 inches. Get him back. Trunker. There's one. What is it? It's a big smallie. Giant. 5-pounder, bro.
Holy shit.
Come down this side more. Oh, he's giant.
Were you casting out?
Get him. Shit. Yes.
Were you casting out?
Yeah, nice. Oh, no, the stinger. Just get the stinger out.
Nice.
That's a fatty, bro. That's got to be 5. I got my scale.
Oh yeah. The one I got was probably 3.
Jeez.
Nice. I'm gonna go back and start digging.
Yeah, that feels like a 5 for sure. Get him back quick. Proper side. Right down. Awesome. I'm just jigging this worm here. The stinger hook. Oh my god, where's the hook? It broke the hook right off. Oh. On the stinger. Oh.
All the way to here.
Nice.
Did you get so far one?
Today, just a dink, like freaking 12-incher.
That's the first eater.
Oh, there's one.
Right, same spot.
That feels.
Hey, it must be still
Doesn't feel like a silver.
look at slow.
Oh, it's a silver.
Hey, there's obviously a lot right here, right?
Yeah.
If I drop that one, get one. Right, I just got one right here. You said the exact same spot, there must be a good amount, right?
Oh yeah, giant. Little silver bass. Not what we're going for, but snagged him. I'm gonna throw him back, but it's a big perch. Down he goes. There's one. Silver bass. A big silver bass. Trunker. snagged a perch. Oh, look at that, he's squirting. Oh shit. Giant carp. Even that. He ate it too, shit. Did you ever apply? Big sucker. There he goes. Fuck. Yeah. It's another giant smallie. Giant smallie. Oh, smallie, a fat one. Straight snagged him.
Oh, you snagged? Oh.
It's a big one. Nice, bro. Thanks.
Going up
Nice.
and down or casting out?
Just jigging it. Gotta try to get him back quick. Big smallmouth, probably 21 inches. Get him back.
Putting him in the video?
I'm not gonna say I caught him, but
Oh, yeah.
just a nice little add-on. Walleye are running.